friends at, in the little Beit Knesset that they made outside, which is quite an amazing place we have here. If you're ever in Meron on Lag Bomer, you have to come to the Moroccan camp. They have, it's like an outdoor hotel. And there's they brought in animals and they shechted and they roasting and barbecuing all day long. And they have prayers and learning and rabbis and everything that you need for a festival in a Jewish style, and it's a wonderful thing. We're going to look a little piece of the Zohar on a famous piece of music backing up behind us. I'm going to try to compete with this music. We'll see how it goes. God saw everything He made. That's a pretty big thing when you think about everything He made. We're talking about galaxies. We're talking about stars, planets. Everything He made, included little planet Earth and the human race. And he tov mod, and He said it's very good. Okay, that's easy to hear and understand. And everything that's written here is connected to the second time God said it was very good. But when God said tov me'od, it included death. So everything was good. Here, kol tov. Pitom ura'ah. At the end of the Parshat Bereshit, it says, Hine tov me'od. And Rashi tells us that was mavet. That death is very good. Now that doesn't sound like an easy thing to sell people, right? Death is good? What do you mean? So let's see where the Zohar takes this. He saw what He did, and He repeats the idea. Why didn't He say this first? It was very good in the beginning. And God saw everything, but it says, why does it say kol, everything? Why does it include that word? To include all the generations. When God sees something, He sees it right through time. So it's not like He's limited, and there's not even a filter on His limits. And He saw all the generations to come. Now we're getting a little bigger and broader. So that includes yours truly, it includes all of you and your wonderful families. So what is it going to tell us, that kol that includes all generations? And everything that before it came to the world to, He saw it. So this is like, should expand our mind a little bit about who and what God is before the music really kicks in here. It's a concert here every night now that Lag Bomer is coming in tomorrow. But let's see if we can finish one idea. Shira, God saw the workings of creation. I can see I'm not going to be able to scream this one out. Come on, guys, turn it down. Yeah, see, they listen. Right? Nope, now they're not listening. It's up and down. What can you do? So, Maseh Bereshit means the workings of creation. That God created the mechanism of making the world new. So, but first, before He made the world, He created the mechanism to make the world new every day. So maybe I should give everybody a little look around at the camp. There's the Moroccan tent, see? And I'll show you the competition here. It's pretty stiff with these speakers, but it's all good. But you see, the idea that death is good is because death includes free choice. Without death, man has no free choice. And if we don't have free choice, we're not men. We're either angels or animals. And really, God made us a little bit of both, that we can exercise free choice. So we say that death is good. Death gives us possibilities. Death changes our understanding. And we are going to continue this hopefully tomorrow or later tonight. We'll see how it goes. Everything's up in the air up in Meron, But you should be blessed to one time be in Meron for Lag Bomer, one time to walk up that mountain and feel the joy, feel the love of Israel. Because it's really a festival about love. We're celebrating Rabbi Shimon, we're celebrating the end of the death of the students of Rabbi Akiva, we're celebrating the Hilula of Rabbi Shimon. and the Zohar. But more than everything, we're celebrating this sense of love that the tzaddik gives the people. So I'm going to say goodnight for now. God bless you all, and we'll continue from here in Meron, Israel. All the best.